Valentine's Day may be tomorrow, but we can continue to spread the love to local businesses in Geneseo all month long. Sow Nutrition not only offers protein coffees, meal replacement shakes, acai bowls, energizing teas, and aloe refreshers in a comfortable, welcoming environment, they often host and support community events in a collaborative effort to strengthen Geneseo. Rebuilding Together Henry County's mission, repairing homes, revitalizing communities, and rebuilding lives, one project at a time. Join them for a Fat Tuesday fundraiser on February 25th. Looking for a convenient, safe, and affordable place to stay while you're in Geneseo? Look no further than Regency Inn Geneseo. Tim Holevoet, Realtor with Remax Concepts, asks, are you ready to buy or sell your home? If so, then it's time for Tim. Helping buyers and sellers with all their real estate needs is LuAnn Levine's passion. She has built her business on 29 years of the basis of honesty, ethics, and integrity. Looking for a home? Check out her Facebook page today. Rotary's motto is service above self, and you can see how they demonstrate this with their community involvement and scholarship funding. If you're interested in learning more, join them for a meeting every Tuesday at the Geneseo Community Center from 12 to 1 with lunch. Rural Internet for home, farm, or business. Check out Rural Choice's website or call them today and get connected with customized internet service. Rutabaga Art Studio, a friendly art gallery staffed by working artists. They're always happy to have an artful chat with you. Stop in and browse all of their unique art. Don't forget to give some love on social media, especially as close as we are to Valentine's Day. Thanks for loving local, Geneseo.